Hi everyone. So I'm going to teach you how you can search and insert a picture into your All About Me project that you're working on today. So you're going to find the little picture button that if you scroll over, it says Insert Image. You click on the Insert Image and we are going to search the web. So you're going to find the magnifying glass that says Search the Web. So we're going to search the web for a picture. Now here we're on Google Images and you're going to search here. But something very important is at the end of any word that you want to search, you're going to also add the word clip art to it just for, safety reasons and making sure that we're using safe images since they are from the internet. So let's say one of my favorite things that I wanted to show a picture of instead of drawing it, since I can't draw right now, is pizza. So I would search pizza. That's what I want to search for, but then I want to make sure I type in clip art after. And then I have tons of different images of a pizza. Ooh, I love pepperoni pizza. So I'm going to click on the image and it will say to insert the image. So it's creating the image, it's going to insert it. Now, if your picture is too big because we want to put more than just one picture on your slide, you can use the drag tool at one of the corners and you can resize it to make it fit onto your paper, your slide. So then if you want another image, you do the same thing. You find that little image button. It looks like a little picture with the mountains. We're going to go with magnifying glass to search the web. And I'm just going to leave that clip art there so I don't have to keep typing it. And I love baseball. It's one of my favorite sports. And then I'm going to pick an image again by clicking on it. I have to then click insert. I'm going to wait for it to load. And again, this is kind of big, so I'm going to take a corner, hold down my mouse pad, or my keypad, I should say, and then I have another image. So one more image, remember the picture with the mountain, search the web, and I really love the beach. Oops. And I'm going to scroll until I find a picture that I like. Oh, this looks like a great picture. So I'm going to click it, insert. And then, like I said, if we want to make it smaller so we can fit more images, awesome. So that's how you insert and search for images.